we label literally everything that doesn't move. So bins are one of the top things that you can label in your closet.
Boy, the Container Store must love it when they see you two.
You know it.
And then they have to check us out.
I know, you know it. So we tend to use bin clips for all of our bins, but honestly, whatever you have at home, a hang tie, luggage tags, they all work.
Luggage tags.
Everyone has them laying around. Yeah,
they all work. So if you label your bins, you don't have to go looking around the top of the shelf for what's inside of them.
Gotcha.
It stays all neat, except for the underwear.
Except for the underwear.
Except for the underwear.
One exception, that's fine.
Yeah. So another thing we like to use that is in the home, especially because we don't actually use it for food.
Yeah, at least we can use it.
I do love that they did at least use as a prop the Rachael Ray deviled egg tray.
Yes.
Yeah.
So if you don't make deviled eggs, you can hold your jewelry. You can go and just use a regular egg carton, spray paint it, get a little
If
bit
you're
crafty.
DIY, you can spray paint it. Some of us don't know
Some
DIY.
of us just need to buy a ceramic
Right,
dish.
we just buy pretty dishes.
Yes. The linen closet stresses a lot of people out.
Yeah, it does.
One of the reasons why is because no matter how neatly you fold your sets of sheets, they're always kind of a mess on the shelf.
Yeah, and they get all crooked, and then you got it.
And don't even, the fitted sheet,
I know this is hard to believe, but I actually iron my sheets. I'm ready about
okay. So one of our favorite organizing tricks is to actually put an entire set of sheets in the pillowcase.
I like that very much. Inside the pillowcase.
Yes. And it acts actually as a container and a label
You're all
in
set
one.
in one stack.
I really like that a lot.
Yeah. And you can actually apply the same logic to sets of guest towels. Yeah. So you can bundle them up. You can use kitchen twine, extra ribbon, leftover from the holidays, whatever you want. And that way, when your guests come over, you have a set of sheets.
I do put them away like this.
Okay.
A face cloth, a hand towel, and a bath towel.
Right, it's like a little
So you're
gift.
grabbing a package.
Right. So with the clip-on
Ooh,
divider.
I like that
I know.
too.
It's great.
These are like so multi-purpose
Yes,
too.
and they actually have a hanger hook too. So if you're like steaming something.
I didn't even know they made these.
These are a good one.
Yeah. But it really helps take advantage of vertical space on the shelf. You can stack up so much higher, and of course,
that's a game changer.
It really is.
You know we label everything. You can also distinguish between your washcloths, your hand towels.
Okay, that's
and so
nutty.
forth.
Skip that part. That makes me.
Well, we are cuckoo, so you know we
You
do
really
label.
have to write toilet paper in front of toilet paper?
No, it just holds everybody accountable.
Rachel, let us have fun, okay? Okay. So now let's talk about a front hall closet, coat closet, entry closet, whatever you have.
This one is a tough one too.
It can be very tough,
The coat closet is
especially
scary.
for a household when
right.
you have kids and families.
I think I have actual people that I might have lost.
Pets, animals, I know. It can be very stressful. So one of the things we like to do is to really utilize the floor and set up seasonal floor bins.
Okay.
So what we do is we like using these metal tubs. They're kind of like a fun, sturdy purpose.
Yeah.
You can use them for all of your outdoor supplies, and you can even label them with magnets. We have a Joanna label on here. Right, photos, you can have your kids decorate it with their school art. It can just be kind of like a fun thing, and that way
Everybody's got their own little book.
Everyone stays.
It holds everyone accountable.
Right.
So it's like I can't go like sneak something into Clea's because it's like,
Because my face is on that one.
Exactly.
So another thing is, instead of having umbrellas piled up all over the floor, you know, cramming out through the sides of your coats, if you put hooks on the wall and just identify, you know, everyone gets a hook in the family, you can just kind of keep things
Don't try to take my hook.
neatly contained. How did you know which one was yours?
One of them is mine.
Okay.
Don't you? I mean, you guys are brilliant, but I'm kind of glad I don't live with you.
No, you are glad. You're right. You are glad.
No,
but you can put these hooks on a door.
My
on the
husband
inside.
is always taking my umbrella.
It's really annoying, isn't
and,
it?
and I buy 2 new ones every time,
And he
give
takes
him
2.
one, and he keeps taking mine.
Yeah. You need to give him his own hook.
I might do this.
Yes.
You need
Hold
to give
everyone
his own hook.
accountable.
I'm like hiding my umbrella from my husband. That's weird.
No one needs that pressure. So get your own hook.
What's with the little tote bag?
Okay,
this
so
is a
we
good
all
one.
have these canvas reusable bags that we get from pretty much every store on the planet at this point. So put them to use
Yes,
in
they're
your
gonna
front
come
closet.
in handy. This is coming in handy.
You can actually hang them on the hanger with your coat with all of your accessories.
Your hat and mittens and whatever.
Yes, so they all stay together.
Yeah.
You don't have to go looking.
And when it's wintertime, it's like it all comes together. If it's cold, you need a hat,
That's
you need
really
gloves,
good.
you need
And
scarves.
that's good for your guests, too. When people come over all
Totally.
bundled up, like this keeps their stuff
Yeah.
together.
When you get dressed, you just put them on, you put the tote back on the hanger, and you're good to go.
You girls, I do love it when you come.